Hello everyone and welcome. So today I'd like to make a review of the Helmwige Reincar mobile suit. So far so good. The kit was very easy to build. It took me around 3 hours and a half, and wow, I can say the parts of this kit, it feels like they are being made for a master grade, because the plastic, it feels really good. It feels like it's good quality. If I compare the plastic used for this kit right here for the striker, this one, it feels much more cheaper than the Reincar. So I'm a bit speechless, to be honest. Yeah, and also it won the voting, and at the start I was thinking like, I think I should go with the second suit, but yeah, whatever. I told myself, okay, you guys voted, so let's give it a go. So I'm gonna take my samurai sword from the Astray build and I'll start pointing stuff on the kit, because there are a lot of things that I really enjoyed. So first thing first, it's the sword right here, which is very easy to build. If you are new to Gundam, I really recommend, because it's for 15 pounds I paid. I'm speechless. The quality is really good, and it's also easy to build. It's easy to get you around with the Gundam stuff. So the arms, they feel really great. I didn't have any problems like the Gundam Astray or the Strike Freedom. I had problems with them, they were falling off, but actually this Gundam can stand, which is a bit, for a high grade, it can stand. The other ones, being a master grade, they should stand too, but they don't, because pieces are falling off. And I don't think it's because of me, it's because of the way the kit has been built. I don't know, from the factory, or it's just, it is what it is. All right, so right here you see they use a lot of blue color with, let's say, mustard, and black for the thrusters and for the weapons and all that, and a bit of white here. To be honest, I hoped somehow to, I don't know, if they would use a bit of let's say gold color, a bit more stylish, I don't know, but let's say it's a high grade. What can you ask for 15 pounds? Yeah, so the kit is standing on its own. Again, I don't use any type of extra things to make it stand. The body, it's a bit weird, to be honest, but so far it's, I don't know, I really like it. And you can see here it has these things on the legs here. It reminds me of the Gundam Astray, because they have somehow the same approaching for the legs. Yeah, you can see here. Somehow, I don't know, maybe it's just in my mind. But yeah, they look really good. One thing I don't like is that when you try to use the stand, yeah, the stand should go somewhere here, and yeah, you can see it here, and you have to remove the front part here from the waist, and also the back, the back part, yeah. And somehow, in order to put him on a stand, you have to remove these two pieces, which makes the Gundam look a bit more, like it's missing something. And his arm fall off. Yeah, no, that was because of me. Let's put it back here. Come on. There we go. Fix it. Fix it? Yeah, fix it. Right, so you can also see here, it has these, let's say, thrusters, pipes, something that the fuel is going in, and he can use the thrusters to, you know, fly and doing stuff. And the shoulders here, they don't let you to do a lot of posing because they don't have a lot of articulation, to be honest, and it doesn't, I don't know. the only, let's say, positions I used, it was something like this, or you know, I couldn't move entirely the shoulders as I wish, but okay, he has thrusters and stuff, so we understand, yeah. You can't make a lot of posing with this kit, but it also looks very good as it is. And I've seen it that you can move this piece right here and you can put it from here somewhere there, but I don't know, I think it's losing the, you know, the style, let's say. Yeah, though if you see here on the manual, it looks a bit more, I don't know, the blue color here is a bit more darker, and also the, oh sorry, the color here is a bit more darker, and also here the mustard is also a bit darker with a bit of white, I don't know. Yeah, and also it has a blue visor, I can say here, which I don't have it on this one, but so far it looks great. And I really recommend for anyone who wants to get into Gundam. It's an easy kit, to be honest. I love it, yeah. And I don't know, at the start I was thinking it might be some cheap stuff, but no, it's a great one. So one thing I like here, it's the legs, yeah, and they help somehow to, you know, they help the Gundam to stand with all this stuff on him. And I noticed that on the Gundam Astray here, if I'm gonna put the back weapon and everything, yeah, it will fall straight away. I don't know, it's just it's it's also master grade, it should stand, but yeah, that's another story. So yeah, I really like this kit right here. So far I didn't had any trouble with the pieces. Everything went correctly, everything. It also reminds me of the Striker Gundam that, okay, for this one it took me like 8 hours, I don't know why, but also the pieces went together very easy, and I also didn't have any trouble with. I think they come from the same year, 2017, I'm not sure, but they use really great quality plastic. So far is great. Somehow I wish, I know that his head is a bit small, but I wish that would have a bit more details here on the head, because it feels very small for this bulky knight, let's say. So I wish it would be a bit more detailed. So pretty much this is the manual right here. We have 1 2 3 oops 1 2 3 4 5. So from the E parts I only used the ones for the pipes, and I still have some parts here. Also I have some extra parts here and here. I don't know why, maybe it's a different version and it remains some extra parts from the previous one, because I noticed on most of the Gundam kits they have extra parts. Yeah, and somehow they don't add together, I don't know. Here you have this extra piece, you can remove the waist piece here, this one, yeah, and you can put this one here, and then you connect it together so you can put the weapon. But to have the weapon in front, like, you know, it looks it looks a bit stupid because he's bulky already. So they made it so you can I don't know, to use it as a holder, like holster, sorry. Yeah, it's a bit off. If you are new to this kind of stuff, I recommend this kit because, as I said, is very easy. Instead of getting some entry Gundam level kit, I think if you guys buy this, you'll have some fun, and you can have a different approach for the high grade kits, and yeah, it's been fun to build it. Alright guys, that's my review of the Helmwige Reincar. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what IronBloodedOrphans kit you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.